In this session, let us learn about public return short static super keywords. Java static and super keywords. Java public keyword. The public keyword is an SS modifier used for classes, attributes, methods and constructors, making them accessible by any other class. See example, second SS is a public main class with public attributes. See, if we write and execute this code, now we are writing main Java and also second Java. The output returns is name Gopie Krishna Ponnuri, email gopiekrishna@ponnuri.com, age 24. See, in second Java also same. Java return keyword. The return keyword finishes the execution of a method and can be used to return a value from a method. See the example, a method with a return value. See, if you write and execute this code, see output 8, 5 plus 3. See here, the result, the output printed 8. Use the void keyword to specify that a method should not have a return value. See the example, a method without any return values. See, if we write and execute this code, the output returns this. See, I just got executed. Java short keyword. The short keyword is a data type that can store whole number from -32768 to 32767. See the example, if we write and execute this code, the output returns this. See 5000. Java static keyword. The static keyword is a non-access modifier used for methods and attributes. Static methods or attributes can be accessed without creating an object of a class. See the example, a static method can be accessed without creating an object of the class first. See the example, public class main, static method, static void, public method, public void. See main method, see main string args, call the static method, my public method, this would output an error. Create an object of main, call the public method. See, if we write and execute this code, the output returns this. Static methods can be called without creating objects. Public methods must be called by creating objects. Java super keyword. The super keyword refers to superclass parent objects. It is used to call superclass methods and to access the superclass constructor. The most common use of super keyword is to eliminate the confusion between superclass and subclasses that have methods with the same name. To understand the super keyword, you should have a basic understanding of inheritance and polymorphism. See the example, using super to call the superclass of dog subclass. See here the code, superclass parent, subclass child, call the superclass method, create a dog object, call the method of the dog object. See, if we write and execute this code, the result output returns this. X, the animal makes a sound, the dog says bow bow. Okay friends, this is the end of part 60, public return short static super keywords. In next video, let us learn about another topic, switch, this, throw, throws, try, void, while keywords.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.